Robot pool cleaners have moved from niche gadgets to practical, time-saving devices for maintaining clean, inviting pools. The best models combine cordless convenience, strong suction, smart navigation, and durable build to handle in-ground and above-ground pools of various shapes. In this comparison, I evaluated List number 1. Pool vacuum for in-ground pools. The Zirch 2025 Upgrade is a cordless, wall-climbing robotic pool cleaner designed for in-ground and above-ground pools, up to 2,100 square feet. It touts a high-performance 180-watt brushless motor, delivering up to 4,800 GPH suction, 4 cleaning modes, floor, wall, waterline, and all cover, and a 180-minute runtime with a 3-hour recharge. Its navigation uses a gyroscope-based system with an inferred N-path, S-path pattern and 4-wheel drive traction for varied surfaces, including tile, vinyl, and mosaic. The design emphasizes versatility across pool shapes, debris types, and depth up to about 9.8 feet. Weight is 15 pounds with a 110-volt power setup typical for cordless units that still require charging between cycles. Prospective buyers should note the model uses a 7,800 mAh lithium battery and a 4-hour charging cycle with a claimed 180-minute runtime, which suits mid to large pools and heavy debris weeks.
List number 2. Wybot C1 Pool Robot Vacuum for In-Ground Pools. Wybot C1 is a 4-in-1 cordless cleaner aimed at in-ground pools up to 1,614 square feet, offering app control and auto wall waterline cleaning. It uses a triple motor propulsion system, improved suction, and a 120 to 150 minute runtime with a 3-hour recharge. It features a large 180 MU filter basket for straightforward maintenance and a dual brush setup to grip tile, mosaic, and glass surfaces. The unit weighs about 23.1 pounds and uses a lightweight chassis designed for easy retrieval. Price sits at $419.48, positioning it toward the premium end of the cordless segment, but with a focus on extended runtime and smart navigation through an app interface. In practice, the C1 emphasizes smart navigation with 3.0 logic and a combination of floor, S-path, and wall, N-path mapping, delivering broad coverage and efficient cleaning cycles. The 2x stronger suction from the upgraded pump supports deeper debris lifting, while the filtration system supports easier maintenance via a top-load basket. The main usability considerations are app reliability and firmware updates, which can impact the degree of route customization and real-time status. The model's 3-hour recharge aligns with a daily maintenance cycle, making it suitable for moderate to large in-ground pools, but potentially less ideal for users seeking fully automated, voice or Wi-Fi only integration in a single ecosystem.
List number 3. The Wybot Pool Vacuum for In-Ground Pools offers 4-in-1 cleaning for both in-ground and above-ground pools with a 120 to 150 minute runtime and a 3-hour recharge. It uses Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for control, supports 5 cleaning modes and S-path and N-path navigation, and features a 180 micrometer mesh dual filtration with quick top-load filter maintenance. At 22 pounds and a 17 by 13 by 18 inch chassis, it prioritizes portability and flexible mounting options. It's priced at $419.99, aligning with Wybot's premium cordless lineup and focusing on coverage versatility and user-friendly app and remote control versatility. Performance-wise, this model's dual filtration and extended runtimes suit larger, debris-prone pools, and the 21.6-volt battery aligns with strong suction performance and efficient cycles. The inclusion of both app and remote control options adds flexibility for users who prefer different interfaces. It's particularly appealing for pools with multiple surfaces like tile, glass, and mosaic due to its 2x suction improvement and triple motor setup. However, the presence of advanced Wi-Fi and Bluetooth features means potential maintenance considerations around firmware updates and network reliability. Overall, it's a well-rounded option for households needing robust, versatile cordless cleaning with strong surface adaptability.
List number 4. X5 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Pondy X5 is a cordless pool vacuum designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools up to 3,229 square feet, featuring 3 brushless motors for up to 5,500 GPH suction. It supports 4 cleaning modes: auto, wall only, Floor Only, and Classic, smart precision docking to return to a preset parking point, and a 180-minute runtime with a 2.5-hour recharge. The unit emphasizes rapid cleaning, comprehensive coverage, and a practical control experience via touch interfaces. It's positioned as a value-focused option at $274.99, with a strong emphasis on performance and convenience features like automatic docking. In practice, the X5's strengths are its aggressive suction and complete coverage across floors, walls, and waterlines, aided by the upgraded tracks and treads for better grip on various pool surfaces. The Smart Precision docking system helps minimize search time at the end of cycles, which is especially helpful for larger or irregularly shaped pools. The major trade-off at this price point is that the feature set leans toward hardware performance rather than sophisticated software ecosystems. There's less emphasis on app-based navigation or OTA updates compared with YBot models. Still, the X5 delivers excellent value for users prioritizing raw cleaning power and a simple, reliable cordless experience.
List number 5. YBot C2 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The YBot C2 is a cordless 4-in-1 cleaner designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools up to about 2,152 square feet, featuring dual filtration, a triple motor setup, and extended 180-minute runtime. It employs a 99 watt-hour battery and 21.6V configuration, delivering up to 3,593 GPH suction with a 3-hour charging cycle. It supports app control and has a simple, user-friendly 180 micrometer dual filter system to trap debris before it leaves the pool. The unit weighs approximately 23.7 pounds and is designed to be retrieved easily with its robust chassis and self-parking features. Performance-wise, the C2's dual filtration and dual motor approach provides strong debris management across different pool surfaces, including vinyl, tile, pebble, and plaster. The extended 180-minute runtime makes it suitable for larger or more heavily used pools, while a 3-hour charging cycle aligns with typical weekly maintenance schedules. Its OTA-friendly app ecosystem provides cleaning modes and scheduling, but users should verify compatibility with their home networks. The C2 stands out for its balance of power, filtration sophistication, and flexibility across pool types, making it a compelling option in this price tier.